Running from things that you know. Just trying to find where to live.
Morning.
As if hope
Pero breakfast na. Good morning. Good morning. What are you eating? What's this? Huh? Chocolate, no. Typical breakfast. Oh, I don't have spoon.
È questo.
Huh?
È questo.
Okay. Good morning, Nawa. Good morning. From today, completely change the weather. It's 16 degrees, guys. Malamig-lamig ng konti, but it's okay. Winter is coming. Paano yan? How is it this in the Game of Thrones? Winter is coming. Yeah, winter is coming. Yeah, Game of Thrones.
Mama.
See, this is guys from almonds, but biochemical. 100% bio. Almonds, no sugar, and sobrang sarap.
Buwayan ka na banana.
Okay. Dylan. You go to school today? Huh? Say to Nian FAM. Say mo. Today I go to school. Wow. First day of school ni Dylan today. Mamaya pa naman alas 10. Anong oras na? What time is it? 8:30. Ha? 7:45. Ciao. Good morning. Good morning. Weeks. Yun guys, so I'm saying, no, alas 10 pampasok ni Dylan. So first day of school, 2 hours lang sila. From 1 week, no? 1 week, only 2 hours. Yeah.
2 weeks, 2 hours.
2 weeks, 2 hours lang sila. So Dylan's schedule, it's from this week, Dylan's schedule is from 10 to 12. And then next week, from 8 to 10. Justo? Yes. Kasi rotation sila sa isang section. Para yung start ng school, little by little. And then the rest of the school, magko-combine yung klase. And then from 8 until from 8 in the morning until 1, or he can stay until 4, no? PM. Yes. Till 4 PM. Yeah, so ganun yung school dito, guys.
It's not actually a choice. From January, it's until 4.
Oh, from January, okay. From January, it's until 4. You cannot choose anymore. Yan, so mamaya hatid namin si Dylan. Are you ready? Are you ready na sa school? Pronto? The school, yung tawag dito school, it's a materna. Yan, guys. So, first is asilo and then materna for, from, how old usually materna? From 3 until 6. 3 until 6 years old. So this school, this class is more, more on the focus on like color, maybe learn numbers, maybe learn shapes or whatever.
Team building also.
Team building, play. It's more serious school, not like asilo, just playing. Yeah. Now with Dylan, it's 3 years old. How old are you? Quanti anni hai? 4 anni. He always say 4 years old, but the real age is 3 years old.
grande.
Tu sei grande. Ti grande. Yeah, you're so big na, ha? So, be good, 5 bravo, okay? In the school. Mhm. So guys, kung nanonood kayo lagi ng vlog, alam nyo na hindi ako nagbe-breakfast. So ngayon, nag-start ako ng diet. Nancy's diet.
Puro chocolate.
Which is, how you call this diet?
Chocolate. Quello mangiano tu.
Eating normal.
Eating normal.
Yeah.
Eating normal diet. Yan, kasi Nancy, it's, she will become a nutritionist. Yes. So, we need to trust the wife for this thing. And I like it actually. It's just difficult to transition, but I'll manage.
Because you went from zero to hero.
Zero to hero.
Eating breakfast every
Zero to
morning.
hero.
Just yesterday you ate, no, before yesterday you ate just
Io mangio
Yeah.
tutto.
No, amore, mettilo qua.
Yeah, I'm actually eating it in the morning recently. And also, I'm doing exercise, which is a kettlebell focus. So, kita nyo naman. So, diet tayo. Para for the vacation. No?
But it's not diet like restricted.
Yeah, not diet like, oh, you cannot eat.
You're eating
You cannot, it's a good diet, the chama. We say, it's a good diet. No, and Noah, Gabriel, almost 4 months na si Noah Gabriel. At so cute. It's so makulit na already. Kasi always in the bracho. Always in the carry mode. No. Like this is impossible, guys. I'm sitting and I'm carrying him. Yan. Magka-cry na dapat siya. He's supposed to cry na yan. Pero, I don't know why he's not crying yet. Ha?
Late night strolling, far from home and horizon looking like a sunset dream. Midnight talking, water crashing, evening feeling like a postcard scene. Cause it's just
Uy, yung black to that.
dancing with the moon. My arms wrapped around you.
Nablag.
Moon is lighting, sea of diamonds. I can tell the difference to your eyes. Morning is coming, we're not rushing. Lie with you until the end of time. When it's just us two, dancing with the moon. My arms wrapped around you.
Go to school today. What?
Dopo, no. Dopo vai dito a scuola grande pure io vedo, pure mamma.
We bring you to the school. Poi lasciamo. Ok? Ti portiamo, poi ti lasciamo. Ok?
Vieni pure mamma ha detto.
Sì, anche noi.
You know what? Daddy.
Gusto daddy. Vai a giocare lei con mamma. Con mamma sta giocando. Ciao, dopo.
Dopo vieni anche tu a giocare.
Yeah. Dopo prepare natin yung bag mo. Okay?
Vieni anche tu a giocare dopo.
Where's your bag?
Ha?
For the school. Your bag for the school.
Non lo so.
Ano sabi ni Daddy Slippers?
Io vado in
Ano
centro.
sabi ni Daddy Slippers? Put the slippers. Dai.
Ok.
Oh my God. It's cold.
Good.
Okay, ciao, dopo.
Ciao dopo. E così che c'è io?
No, it's okay.
Ok, ok.
Go to sleep.
I will find you in the morning, Sunlight draped across.
Careful. Bye. Get ready na, Dylan.
You are smiling from the moment. The breath within your lungs.
Get ready na, Lai.
You say someday we will wake up and the memories will all but fade.
Lai, get ready na, Dylan. Lagi go school na.
This moment we're together. Nothing can erase
To school.
this day.
Hello, Jedi.
The coffee's on the counter and the news is banging on the door.
Tieni, prendi lo scalino. Prendi la sedia, dai, dai, veloce.
Distractions, it's the silence that's
Dai, 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 dai. Dai, Dylan, su, non ti aspetta il tempo.
so turn off all the noise and embrace
First tip.
Vai da solo? Dylan, vai da
this
solo.
moment we're together and nothing can erase this day.
No, wala rin.
If skies may crash, sea fall, there's no way out. Hold me close to the fire. Hold me close to your fire.
What's that? Colors? Colors?
I will find you in the evening, alone inside your beat up shirt.
Aqua?
I laugh because the sight of all the wrinkles show just what it's worth. And I say nothing lasts forever.
Gusto ako.
Sure as hell I'll always stay. So this moment we're together, nothing can erase this day. This moment we're together, and nothing can erase this
Bye,
day.
ciao. Ciao. Papi deh, Cira. Wow, apa coba? Papi
Poi
deh.
domani lasciamo scuola uno e questo
Papi deh, Dylan. Cira. Gak ada, Me. Gak ada tadi. Cira. Saya approve. Approve. Oke. Dai, entra.
Okay, it's true now.
Qua. Vai. Sit down. Remove your bag. Kasi remove. Bye.
Ano kapito? Ha?
Bye. Hey, sit down.
Ibok. Ibok. Ibok.
No.
Ambe. Ambe, se no sai che te carpo? Sai che te carpo se no?
Sei pronti? Pronti?
Sì.
Okay.
The water spilled.
Huh?
The water spilled.
What water? Alright, it's water.
Turn on water.
Okay.
Sì, andiamo.
Pronti? Andiamo, let's go. Let's see you later. Pronti, Dylan? Wala la fuori?
Huh?
Wala? Okay, get to school.
Ciao, patata.
It's a school.
Magari scendi, vedi.
It's a school, mommy.
Io devo scendere.
Huh?
Ito na kami guys, pero bababa ako. And let's wait. Ano si Dylan sa school? Guys, kung sabay kauwi lang namin. Medyo kinabahan siya ng konti sa umpisa. Sa pinto, sabi niya, Mama, let's go together. Tapos nung hinawakan na siya nung I don't know if it's a teacher doon sa loob, sumama na rin. Pero walang reaction. And I think he will enjoy. Anyway, he's not that scared with this thing. He likes so much to play with other kids. Now, so, Papa Dodo, si Mami Nancy. Dylan is really good. And we sumilip kami sa bintana. We saw him from the window, and he's okay. He's calm and just looking around and like, what is this? And let's see later. Let's ask him how is it later. Anyway, 2 hours lang naman siya doon. So, around 12, pipick upin na natin siya ulit. And now, Nancy will continue study. Ako naman, I'll arrange doon sa garage. Yung, wow. Ciao. Ciao. Ciao.
Ciao, ma che hai fatto a scuola?
Buongiorno. Che hai fatto a scuola?
Adesso a prendere camminella e giocare
Fa
di
vedere?
fuori.
Posso vedere?
Hai giocato di fuori?
Sì.
Ho giocato di fuori, benvenuto Dylan.
Molto Dylan.
Oh, caramella.
Hai colorato?
Ti
Hai
piace?
colorato?
Ti piace?
No.
Hai scritto?
No.
Hai letto?
No, io ho giocato.
Tu hai giocato solo?
Hai mangiato?
No.
Hai bevuto?
Acqua.
Io voglio bere l'acqua. A scuola non ho bevuto.
Oh, povero bambino. Perché non ti sei ricordato? Ma tu l'acqua ce l'hai qua dentro, mamma. Lo sai, lo devi dire alle maestre. Che tu l'acqua sta qui. Questa è l'acqua tua. Che dobbiamo cambiare perché perde.
Io in camminella dopo l'acqua.
Dopo, adesso mangiamo la
sì.
pasta.
Ti piace scuola? Dylan? You like school?
Lo toglio?
Domani?
Lo toglio?
Aspetta.
Domani go back to school?
Sì, è uscito, io torno domani, Torno dopo, Torno dopo. Subito contento.
Mamma, mi togli? Mi togli?
Sì.
Okay. Noah's crying.
Sì. Faccio un attimo la pasta, prendiamo un secondo.
Okay. Nagising na ang baby Noah. Aguk. Gising na. Good morning. Oh no. No.
Because your hair is tight.
What's the kitchen?
Walk around the place like a bad luck.
What's your bag?
Your tone is different on our morning calls. I used to think we were above it all. I always answered when you needed me, but something happened and we haven't been right for weeks. We're on a losing streak. I guess I'll be losing sleep, trying to figure out where I went wrong. I know you're angry, but it's not my fault. We're just not right.
Morning.
Good morning.
Nights to
Nian FAM. Hindi namin natapos yung vlog yesterday, kaya second day na tayo ng school ni Dylan. Wala si Nancy, maaga umalis kasi may exam siya. So, ako lang. Today, Noah and Dylan. Maya-maya hahatid ko na si Dylan sa school. Yan. At you want to go to school today? Ha? Yes. Yeah, may breakfast na siya. Eat ka na ng breakfast mo. Eat na breakfast.
Daddy. Doon sa libro tuwa.
Daddy will take later. Okay?
Libro tuwa.
So, kung hindi nyo alam, si Nancy is studying. Nag-aaral siya for to become a nutritionist. So, today may exam siya. Yan. 1 hour lang yun, pero medyo malayo yung school. 1 hour din yung biyahe. So, 1 hour biyahe, 1 hour yung exam, and then 1 hour pabalik. 3 hours. Okay. Ilan, what happened? Sleepy? Huh? Okay, I give to you. Oh, which one do you want? Peanut butter? Peanut butter. Marmalade, ha? Antok na to si Noah. Kanina pa kami gising. Mga 2 hours ago. Yan. So, antok na to. Kagigising lang ni Dylan. Alright, kain na.
Tayo.
Signore, minsan to ayaw kumain mag-isa. Gusto sinusubuan. Alright guys, so tulog na si Noah. Siya sa kama. At ipe-prepare ko yung gatas niya. Papainitin ko na. Meron kaming yung machine na constant yung heating niya. So, minemaintain lang niya yung heat level ng milk. So, para pagising niya, ready na yung gatas niya. Hindi na siya mag-iiyak. So, ito may pump milk si Nancy. So, in case like this. Oh, manginina. Pero eat na ikaw siya. Okay, so yun nga sabi ko guys, ito yung mga pump milk ni Nancy. Meron kami sa freezer. So in case na kailangan ng milk, all breast milk to guys. So hindi pa siya nagpa-powder. Wait daddy. So para mamaya meron pa dala. 100 ml. Sakto na yan kay Noah. Okay. Yeah, so i-constant heat ko na lang siya. Para pagising niya, sakto lang yung init. And ready na kagad. Diyan guys, may tubig siya sa loob. Ok, Nian FAM, so questo Dylan, questo è water, acqua, ok? For scuola, va bene?
Sì.
Poi ricambi, extra clothes, ce l'hai pure questo blu, ok?
Sì.
Chuchu serve? Ano? Serve chuchu? First cola? No.
Si.
So guys, papunta na kami ng school ni Dylan. It's time na. Second day na. And then, wait ko na si Nancy. I think it's time I end the vlog here. So like this, we can start again another vlog tonight. Which is magluluto daw si Nancy. So, ng Filipino food. So make sure you watch that one later. Alright guys, thank you very much for watching. And Dylan, say ciao muna Nian FAM. Ciao Nian FAM. Thank you.
Thank you.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Salamat po.
Daddy.
Ciao, 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 ciao.
Daddy, ciao, Nian FAM. Daddy.
Good night guys.